Namaskar, Praveen ji. I am going to explain your horoscope here. It has been more than a week. Yeah, your horoscope is pending. Generally, what I will do, I will go from the bottom to the top. So this is like whoever touches 1 week, they will be answered first. In that way, I am trying to answer your horoscope. See, you asked a question. Can you able to learn? Can you able to learn astrology? Yes, definitely you can able to learn astrology. It's whether the dasha and other things they will support you astrology or not. Right now it is a Shukra dasha is going on, Shukra dasha and Guru Bhukti until 2022. So when come to basic lagna, what is happening? Your lagna is in Simha lagna, and sixth house is Saturn's house. Seventh house is seventh house is also Saturn house. So sixth and seventh Lord is in eighth. So basically, what we call it as a 6, 7, 8. When Saturn is in eighth house, it's definitely very good. See, the Saturn is 6, 7, 8 and 2, 7, 11. So it is very good. And moreover, I want to explain one beautiful one beautiful yoga you have. Basically, you have a yoga called Adi Yogi. There are three best yogas are there. In that three yogas, the Adi Yoga is a top yoga. Basically, what it does is the people who has this Adi Yoga, they can be a industrialists. They can become a very good person in the society. So how the Adi Yoga forms? Adi Yoga forms like from Lagna when all malefic planets Buddha, Guru, Shukra, and Mangala. These are all in sixth, seventh, and eighth house, either in six, either in seven, or in eight, or distributed across six, seven, eight, or all in one house. That forms Adi Yogi. So Adi Yogi horoscope is a very, 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 very rare to find horoscope. You have this horoscope, utilize in your life. So you have Shukra, Guru, and Buddha together. Shukra in sixth house, seventh house, Guru and Buddha, and eighth house you have eighth house you have Mars. So it is a very good horoscope. Basically, Saturn is at 24 degree and Moon is at 26 degree. If if it is like Saturn is at 26 and Moon is at 24, that would have been made one more beautiful combination. You would have become a researcher. Now also you can become a researcher. So could do very good. This is about Adi Yoga. Adi Yoga andre basically ಲಗ್ನದಿಂದ 6, 7, 8ನೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರು, ಶುಕ್ರ, ಬುಧ, ಮಂಗಳ ಇವರು 6, 7, 8ನೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಿಯೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆದಿಯೋಗಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರೂಜಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದು ಆದಿಯೋಗಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ये आदियोगी बोले तो फ्रॉम लग्न से सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ और एट्थ हाउस में इफ शुक्र, बुध, गुरु और मंगल रहने से आदि योग जातक बनता है. ऑल द बेस्ट प्रवीण, डू वेल.